Max, are we having breakfast? I got food in there. Oh, I got food out. Are we having breakfast? Is this a normal breakfast? Hi, monkey. Here, you want to eat? Shh, eat. Hi, monkey. Can you laugh? Oh, I know, you're a cameraman. No, you can't hold it. You can't hold it. You like to be on camera. Okay, let's one more scoopful of breakfast. Will you eat? Everybody wants to see you eat. Nope. Come on, one, please. It's the blizzard of 2010. You have to have one more bite. One more. Here, okay, you feed yourself. There you go. Here, there you go. There you go. Oh, good job. Good job. That's very impressive. You're doing so good. You're such a big boy. Now you drink out of your sippy cup. Here, look. We have to degrime you after this. Yep. Oh, wow. You're a good monkey. Okay.